Hello beauties, how are you all doing? Today's video we're going to review two products. The first product is this Faye Lush Blush Liquid Blush. Another product is this Faye Double Dew Illuminator. This product is also going viral everywhere on the internet and everybody is having different opinions about this product. Some people are calling it patchy, some people are calling it very beautiful formula. So we're going to find out what this product actually is. So before moving on to the video, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video on my channel. With that being said, let's quickly get into the video. Faye Beauty has recently launched a Lush Blush, which is a liquid blush. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is the outer carton packaging. Beautiful packaging. It's a very pretty packaging. I really love the packaging of Faye Beauty. It's very simple, clean and neat. And it has everything mentioned here. You get 5.5 ml of product with 3 years of expiry, which is a really good thing. So these blushes retails for rupees 5.99, which is not so expensive and not so affordable as well. Comparing to Swiss Beauty, Mars and all, it's not so affordable but also not so expensive. I really like the price point of this blush. It's not heavily priced. So it's mentioned in the packaging that these are formulated with bloom blend consisting of hibiscus, magnolia and chamomile extracts for a radiant, healthy, from within kind of a glow. It also mentions that seamless serum-like finish, buildable long wear, richly pigmented. So let's find out about all of that. I got the shade Spicy from this range. There are a lot of shades in this, guys. It's very cute packaging. It's looking like a nail polish. So this is how the packaging looks like. I picked a very deep shade in this time because I want to try something new. This is a nice raspberry beetroot sort of a pink. It's not the regular pink. And look at the wand. It's very pretty, different packaging. This will help you make that perfect dot on your cheek, how much ever you need. It's not a big applicator. It's very tiny, so you don't need a lot. That's what I'm guessing. So let's look at the formula. Just one dot. The shade looks really good, guys. Let me just swatch it and show it to you guys here. It's a very pretty pink. It's a beetroot kind of a pink. Very beautiful shade, especially for medium and deeper skin tones. It's going to be a very pretty shade. Let's see how it looks with just one dot. Okay. I don't think one dot is enough, but you can see that it looks like I have applied some blush. I can see the blush. Just one dot is more than enough if you want a daily natural kind of a look. I did apply quite a lot, I guess. Let's see.
I'm trying to blend it with a brush and I feel like it is not moving or it's not blending so smoothly. It is blending, but it is not moving as I expected. It is kind of sticking to the skin.
I like it, guys. It looks really beautiful. It doesn't have any sort of a shine. I don't see any shine on my skin. Be a little bit quick in terms of blending because I also feel like it kind of can be a little bit even. I feel because can you see that this area is a little dense and this here area is a little light. But I really like the shade. It's really good. Let's blend it on the hands and see if it is blending really well. I really love the formula. It's really serum like. It's not creamy. It's not liquidy. The formula is really something new that I'm experiencing. Slightly patchy, I would say, not too much. You need to work with it to make it really look even. Can you see that it gets settled down so fast, and that is why it is kind of becoming patchy. So if you have foundation applied freshly and if you're applying the blush on top of it, it can move your foundation. I would call it a matte blush, not a creamy blush. It doesn't add any shine. That is something I like. Yeah, I do agree that it is kind of slightly patchy because I think the formula sets quite fast and that is why it is patchy. I really like this blush, guys. I can see that the blush is really going to last long because I feel like the pigment kind of settles into my skin and is not moving after that. So that is the reason I feel like it's a very good blush for those who have oily skin and also for those hot and humid weathers. I think this is a very good blush. And if you're just applying it on your bare skin, you can just apply one tiny dot, quickly blend it, and then it's going to stay throughout the day. When it comes to blendability, it is not so great. Could have been a little bit better, but when it comes to the pigmentation, it's really good. When it comes to the lasting power, it is really good. When it comes to the compact and cute packaging and the price point, I think it's really good. I'm kind of liking it. If you're someone who have oily skin and you want your blush to last really long, you can go for this. Fair Beauty has recently launched this double dew illuminator. The packaging looks something like this. It's a carton packaging. There are 4 shades in this range. I picked the shade Beam. I didn't want to buy something that is golden or too brown. I wanted something that would give me that natural look. So that is why I picked this shade. It retails for 650 rupees. You get 3 years of expiry. So packaging says it's buttery, radiance enhancing, multi-use illuminating stick. Blendable, buildable, ultra long wear that melts into the skin. It also says for a safe, natural looking, healthy glow. Vegan and cruelty free. Let me open the packaging. I like the packaging, guys. It's very pretty, simple with all the branding and everything. But the problem with white packaging is it can get really dirty if you're touching it with your dirty hands. The shade, it's mentioned on one side. This is the shade Beam, you guys. Let me just apply it on my hands and show you guys. It applies like your lipstick. It has that kind of a slight waxy feeling to it, but not too much waxy at the same time. Oh, it has a good amount of shine. And it has some sort of a oiliness. It's blending really well. It's not difficult to blend this one. And it melted into my skin so good. It has a very nice lit within kind of a glow, definitely. That is what the brand also says. And I do agree that you don't see any shimmery particles, you don't have any glitter. It kind of melts into the skin. I have already applied the blush, so I'm just going to apply on top of it.
It really applies very smooth and soft on the cheek, guys. Very good to apply. Blends really smooth with the help of your fingers. I don't think you need any tool to apply this highlighter or illuminator. It really blends smooth and melts into your skin, giving it that natural lit from within kind of a glow, which you can even wear on an everyday basis, you guys.
Can you see the glow? It's really looking very natural. It's not having any starch shine. It's giving that healthy glow to your skin, and it is blending really beautifully on the skin. Let me apply a little bit on my nose. Even with the help of my fingers, it's blending really smooth, and it is not looking too stark. It is a really good product. You can even apply this on a regular basis, on an everyday basis, because it's not going to look like you've applied a highlighter or anything. It's going to give you that natural, healthy kind of a glow. You don't need to apply makeup. You don't have to, apply anything. You just apply this wherever you want that healthy looking glow. It's going to add that to your face. That is how it looks like. It's really good, you guys. I think it's a really good product. It has some fragrance also. Not so strong, but it has a fragrance. Something floral, jasmine, and some musk. Nice fragrance. I really like the fragrance of this one. I really like the glow that it is giving on my face. It's really healthy looking. It's not looking too glittery or anything, which is something I am totally in for. With that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you really like this video. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and see you soon in the beautiful video. Till then, tata. See you guys. Bye bye.